Chinga chingena ndo mwancho murigeri bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusi yakerokoro kwegena kwane buna nogendrete kwegokya anene kubwati emirobero yegeta seni kya Ndizi TV Chinsa ni komiti abono mogoroba chinga kingo kwarigana ego kwarigana SMS ya Amayia eri onkomanye nara ya yankwariganirete asenchera ere yobwenge endra gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tobwati wetra Ndizi TV News na bogo twetra @Ndizi TV News waigo ase website ito nigora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusangana ya mange erio teriane Everline Osero olitoko bwatrana nere kwene kia awekera sense mu imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabana ntugo ikomo erio Waziri bwobochenu ase county ya Kisii Saromache niga kirembya monogo cha se kiombe kia Amref na boigo ekiombe kia CDC Africa ase okoena na ebintu biri bigotumeka ase enyagetari na boigo chi tablet ejo kirache gokonya ase oko record amubaro w'abantu bari bakirwe nebinyinyi bya corona ime yense ya Kenya anene county ya Kisii ase aganiri abantu weso kya sobonge na kwenyorera echanjo yokorwania uburwaire bwa COVID-19
Litukulia rero twakira CDC Africa ngambia mono ekiagara batoire chi equipment chigo chikotokonya gere togenderere konyora ng'abantu babetirwe sindani guse bachanchirwe sindani eri ya COVID-19 bonsi pi basoire system umuntu notaka kogenda nde okonyora ng'erieta liawo norire lakini ekenene ntagete kubatebia mbia mono asikera oyomo oyosokire gocha kobetwe sindani eye onyorire jidosi ibere na abanda abanyorire ya gatatu igere buya ekiagara nko batebi ng'asa abantu babetirwe eliogeri nturanyoro ndokore tunyagitari ng'onyorire COVID
Omoteneri bwekeombe kyobokoreri ase county ya Nairobi Metropolitan Services NMS John Mbadi nigo abakeira babwatani bonsi mbya mono bali babere bakubwatiranere kwene kyabuna obokoreri ase county ya Nairobi bwabeire bugwikiranwa gukwana chingaki cyo kwena na oboteneri ubene buchi ase serikali ya county ya Nairobi inse yo mugavana we county yo Johnson Sakaja nigo Mbadi ateba nonya nabo babeire bakora amagendero ye chingencho au anene ase semo yobo bwenya na boigo sekta yobo sombi eryo kwene kiabuna county ya Nairobi nero yakinire ase sekta ya magendero.
So we leave behind a progressive city that holds a promise for future generations to come. I take this opportunity to thank the national government for giving me this noble responsibility for spearheading the transform of our great city in the capacity of DG of NMS. I extend my gratitude to national government, county government that we have worked very well, the Kenya Defence Forces, and His Excellency Governor Sakaja, and our various partners and stakeholders, as well as people of Nairobi for their trust and more importantly, their unwavering support and coordination that has led to this great achievement. I remain devoted to supporting the county government in the execution of its mandate and realization of the aspiration of people of Nairobi and Kenya at large.
Gukwana chinga kichomurobero yo nigo mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja abaga kwene kiabuna mpachi kubwaterana nabara ibonsi kurwase county ya Nairobi eryo kwene kiabuna amagendero arrokanire ase county yo.
I want us to see ourselves as one family, tasked with the gift of stewardship over the people of Nairobi. We made promises. We went to the people. I want to see all of us as partners in delivering to the people of Nairobi. Let's remember the common person in Nairobi. Nairobi is going to be great. This is Africa's capital, and we must make sure it shines as a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope and opportunities for all. We want to make it easier for people to do business and not to stifle their business. Nairobi must be clean, Nairobi must be sparkling. I want to assure those that might be worried that there might be victimization or there might be favoritism. that everything we do will be based on objectivity. Even if you have been staff on the other side, come back home. If you have something to tell me, my doors are always open. You will get to me. But we will serve our people with dignity and with diligence.
Nero mawaziri wa mangana serikali chegenga gose devolution Eugene wa malwa nigo ago kirege tambukire kiona tabuna korwa devolution ya betege gocha kaimense ya Kenya yabere ge koenekia amagendero ase county au ase agania abarai bonse kobwatrana erio goikirania obokoreri buruburunge gocha ase abananchi.
Let us see how we can strengthen devolution, give more support, more resources to the counties so that they can transform our country. And Kenyans might not know this, but devolution has transformed in a very fundamental way our counties and our country. Another 10 years of devolution with good leaders like Sakaja, I believe Kenyans are going to see what we have done. We are serving the same people. Hakuna wa Kenya wa county government na wa Kenya wa national government, wote ni wa Kenya wetu. Don't feel shy whenever you need probably people like General Badi to come and assist you in any way. Do not hesitate. This man can deliver.
Humenya nyimbo yo moni gasiria obogimana abandi babere gutigerwa chingoma chintindi magega yokoraswa numukagerwa bwobo kebago asensemo ya paponditi yotoka ime ya Nyakachi county ya Kisumu.
Today very early in the morning at around 03:00 a.m. our officers were pursuing an armed robber whom they tracked. They traced and found him having rented one of the room in the flat you are seeing here behind you. Upon approaching the rented room, the robber engaged officers in shootout. Shootout ensued. There was serious shootout between the robber and the officers. Then upon the shootout, the robber managed to escape. We are in hot pursuit. We will catch up with him.
Abateneneri bech company au nigo baburiwe kubeka emirobero eisaine yokoine kiabuna abakora emirimo babo tibali konyorwa no muchando bwobongo nakorengana no musemi w'umuteneneri bwamangana iyo muchando bwobongo Dr. Frank Njenga nigatere buna eserikali nebwente koligereria enganeye nakoine kiabuna abantu ngoligererwa bare gusemba bwate umuchando bwobongo nakonyoro bokonyi bwagengyo nabo igobune nchireyemo yogokeania abantu umubaro bw'abantu babwate umuchando bwobongo.
Health and happy individuals have a huge impact in overall office productivity and upbringing of families, and therefore, by ensuring our families and the workplace is optimized to reduce stress is a vital tool in reducing turnover and improving workflow.
Very few countries on this continent have done what we have done with the task force. We have done it. We have a clear mental health policy in this country in place. We have a very clear 5-year action plan in place in this country. And the future for all of us is a place or a land where national health insurance coverage gives parity for all the things, all conditions, including mental health.
Nekero ya rokanire na abana batabwati obomenyo gusaba bamanyikaine buna chichokora nigo bagendrete komentakana imeyo mucho Eldoret me county ya Uasin Gishu nigo umugavana we county yo Jonathan P achakire mirobero yoko enekia buna ngokonya barabana abo bunenchire moyo kubakonya kwenyorera masomo nabo igo uonchoreria chimbwa chiabo.
These are the children who are a little bit unfortunate from their background, where we've picked them as street family, and the children who have a disadvantaged background. We have decided to bring them here as a rescue center, and we want to help these children to grow and to realize their potential in life and to have meaningful lives as the rest of the people.
In this center, we serve 17 counties and 2 countries. 17 counties of the Western region, including Coast Province, by virtue that we are on the highway to Uganda. And we also have children from Uganda and from South Sudan. So this is a place that we're asking many partners who want to partner with us to come on board. We thank God for every single person touched so that we can support these children for care and protection.
Mwancho murigereri bano ikiraga iga hayanara na kwariganiritie SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ere eyobwenge korende nyorekero kirarage gusekerera aragense yamo nabo igo Chinsa isato cha mugoroba ayamunanda mange no chiko yanyora senchira ere eyobwekiranu yandra gutwaro burigereri boro bya ime ya Ndizi TV nabo bwansubo mu Gusii ekaronte be okwenyorona nabo kwendra gutonyora sense media website wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke asensemo ya Facebook ni gora tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo igasomo mutandao Twitter nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News erio togendre gusanga amange eretariane Everline Osero urutwa kubwatira nere kwenekia awikera sensemo imanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kirato kwa neryo burigereri borobuya nabo igo emagoroba erentoereru.
TV obwansu bw'omu Gusii omwaka